Hello everyone. Welcome to the Milesight tutorial. Today, we'll show you how to configure the network connection of Milesight LoRaWAN Gateway. We will start with the Ethernet port configuration. Navigate to the network page, click Interface, and enter the port configuration page. Switch the connection type according to your local network environment. For static IP setup, you must manually enter the assigned IP address, netmask, and gateway. For DHCP mode, no manual input is required, as the upstream network will automatically assign an IP address to the gateway. For PPPoE connection, enter the username and password provided by your internet service provider. Keep all other parameters at their default values. Finally, click the Save and Apply button to save your configuration. For Wi-Fi configuration, navigate to the WLAN pages in the WebGUI. By default, the gateway operates in AP mode, enabling it to serve as a wireless hotspot providing network connectivity for other devices. It also supports a built-in DHCP server function to automatically manage network allocation. After configuring the gateway's static IP address, click DHCP settings. According to your network requirements, set your preferred IP range and netmask on the DHCP configuration page. Once configured, click Save and Apply at the bottom of the page to save the settings. When connecting the gateway as a client to an existing external Wi-Fi network, you must first connect the gateway to a computer via an Ethernet cable and assign a static IP address to the gateway to prevent disconnection. Navigate back to the port configuration page, select static IP as the connection type, and configure an IP address for the Ethernet WAN port. Manually assign an IP address to your computer. As shown in the reference image, ensure the computer and gateway are in the same IP subnet, and set the default gateway to the actual IP address of the LoRaWAN gateway. Open a web browser. Enter the IP address of the Ethernet port to access the WebGUI. Return to the WLAN settings page. Switch the work mode to client, then click the scan button. Select the target Wi-Fi network you want to connect to, and enter the corresponding network credentials and details. Finally, click Save and Apply to save the settings. Navigate to the network menu, click Interface, and switch to the Cellular tab. Let's enter the Cellular configuration section. To set up your cellular connection, enter the exact access point name provided by your SIM card operator directly in the APN field. Click the Save button to save the configuration. Click the Link Failover option in the left navigation menu. On the SLA configuration page, add a new link detection rule to actively monitor network connectivity. By sending automatic verification requests to the target server, the gateway can accurately determine whether the internet link is healthy or disconnected. Next, switch to the track configuration page. Bind your newly created SLA health detection rule to a specific physical or wireless interface. This step ensures the system continuously evaluates the real-time operating status of that particular network path. Finally, open the WAN failover configuration page. Assign your primary and backup network paths. Linking these paths to your track status completes the automatic redundancy routing hierarchy, enabling seamless link switching in the event of a failure.